So today's topics, I will just tell you what we will do. We will do the Napier rules. We will do the Napier rule. Then we will prove the amplitude formula. Then we will do the rising and setting of bodies. Then certain things of the twilight also. One or two points are left. Rising, setting of bodies, twilight. Then we'll do a little more of the PZX triangle. We'll try to solve some numericals also. I got 3 periods today, 2 now and 1 last period after lunch. So we should try and finish everything today, then next week I will start time. So I hope you all made a note of that. So we have been talking about the spherical triangle for the past 2-3 days. When 3 great circles meet like this and they make a triangle, we call it a spherical triangle. It has 3 angles and 3 sides. We would be interested to find either an angle or a side in order to find the position of our ship, that is latitude and longitude. I had also told you to go through your nutshell series 8, the spherical trigonometry book. I hope you have read it. If not, then you must read it as quickly as you can during the weekend. So what are the 2 or 3 basic formulas that we use to solve spherical triangles? Anyone?
Sir, cosine formula.
One is the sine formula. What is the sine formula?
Sir, sine p is equals to.
The sine formula is sine side A upon sine angle A equal to sine side B upon
Sine A upon
sine B A
is equal to
sine B upon sine B
B
and
upon
sine C upon sine C.
sine B is equal to sine C upon sine C. Good. And which is the cosine formula?
The cos of A, capital A equal to cos of small a minus cos of
I will write
small
2
b cos.
formulas over here. If 3 sides are known. If 3 sides are known, then what is the formula? Cos A. If 3 sides are known, then you have to find the angle. Correct? Cos A is equal to cos A आगे minus cos B cos C upon sin B sin C. Do you know this or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to decide what is given. If 3 sides are known, then it is this. Which is the next one? If two sides and the included angle is known. Two sides and the included angle. If two sides and the included angle is known, then it is what? Cos A is equal to cos A sin B sin C plus cos B cos C. This is okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, no? Cos A is equal to cos A sin B sin C plus cos B cos C. Same formulas will be shifting from left to right, generally not much of a difference. There is another option, but I think that is a difficult option which probably you won't get now, maybe phase one. If two angles on the included side are known, two angles on the included side, then there is the polar triangle also. Those things are later. Which is the other way we can solve this spherical triangle? By Napier's rule. Yesterday we said that if one angle or one side is 90 degrees, then the same formula becomes modified and we have the Napier's rule by which we can quickly solve the spherical triangle. So this was what I had drawn yesterday. I hope the diagram is big enough for you to see. So I will just quickly draw it. So we have two options here. One, the body is on the horizon, x dash, and we have another option, which is the other option?
Body at the equinox.
Setting.
In this case, what is 90 degrees?
Triangle Z.
Look
ZX.
again. Look again.
So PX.
ZX.
dash.
ZX, sir, ZX.
Somebody said
PX
angle
dash.
Z is 90. The green one, consider that a spherical triangle, green one, PZX. There Z is not 90. Somebody said PX. PX dash is 90. PX dash is not 90. Can you tell me why?
So
PX
because
dash is not
body-
90.
Body has some declination.
Body has some declination, very good. So if the body is above the equinoctial, then Px cannot be 90. If the body would have been on the equinoctial, zero declination, If this body would have been here, risen here, then Px dash would have been 90. In that case, what else would have been 90? If the body would have been here, then the azimuth would be what?
So 90.
So in that case, we have a spherical triangle, two things 90, huh? One side 90 and azimuth 90. Is this possible? Is it possible or no? Why not? On the equinoxes, you have zero declination. So if the body is rising east, you have a spherical triangle where polar distance is also 90 and the angle z is also 90. Now we have another option here when the body is bearing east. When the body is bearing east, what is happening in this time? At this time,
Angle Z is equal to 90.
in this case, angle z is 90. So I had drawn this yesterday also. We have a situation here in the green spherical triangle where the altitude is 0 because the body is on the horizon. So when the altitude is 0, the zenith distance is 90. And we have another situation where the body is bearing east, so the azimuth is 90. The red angle is 90. So we will see how Napier's rule is made and how it applies. Okay. For Napier's rule, draw a circle like this. You can see the circles, they're big enough to be seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now in a spherical triangle, we have 3 angles and 3 sides. So total number is 6. 3 angle plus 3 side is equal to 6. Now if one is 90, how many are left?
5.
5. So we will draw 5 sections. How many sections are these?
4, sir.
4. We draw one line like this and make it 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So let us take the red one first. Whatever is 90, you write outside. Angle Z is 90, so we'll write outside. Angle Z is 90. What is 90? We will not consider, we will keep it outside. After that, we will go in one direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. And we will go angle side, angle side, angle side. So Z is the angle in the triangle PZX, considering PZX. What comes after Z? Let us go clockwise.
Sir, side x dash.
X dash.
No,
सर
sir.
अपोजिट में लेते हैं ना, तो साइड pz बोल रहे हैं या फिर स्मॉल x dash ले लें?
No, give me the sides the way it's written PZX.
सर pz.
If I'm going clockwise, after the angle Z, there is a side PZ. After PZ,
Angle P.
Angle ZPX
I
dash.
will draw it like this so that it's clear to you. PZX. So after angle Z, which was 90, I kept it outside. Side PZ. After PZ comes angle P.
Angle P.
So we write here 90 minus angle P. 90 minus angle P. After angle P,
Side PX.
90 minus PX. Do I need to give the bracket? Let's remove the bracket. Small figure, it will confuse you. 90 minus P, angle P over here. 90 minus Px. After 90 minus Px,
Angle X.
90 minus angle X. After that,
Side ZX.
Zx. So Zx. Anyone has any question on drawing this Napier diagram over here? Relating to the spherical triangle, the red one? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. So now let's go to the other option. PZX dash. Here Zx is 90. So I will write Zx outside. I will write Zx outside. And then how do I go about? Zx is done. Let's go clockwise. Which is the next one?
Angle Z.
Angle Z.
Angle Z.
Angle Z.
Side ZP.
90 minus PZ.
90 minus PZ. In this case, instead of 90 minus angle P, we write P minus 90. The other way. So just remember this one. P minus 90. After that,
90 minus PX.
90 minus Px dash. Then angle
Angle X.
X dash.
X.
So is this Napier rule clear to you? How we draw the Napier diagram from the PZX triangle?
Yes.
Yeah, clear? Okay. But this is just one step. This is just drawing the diagram. Finally, we have to use a formula to solve this. Does anyone know the formula? There are two ways in which you can do, depending upon what value is given to you in the question.
Sine mid part is equal to tan adjacent part 1 into tan adjacent part 2.
Sine mid part is equal to tan
Adjacent part.
adjacent part
1 and into adjacent.
1 into
Tan adjacent part 2.
into or what else? tan adjacent part 2. Am I right?
Yes.
This is one. And there is another formula.
Yes, so sine mid part.
I hope all of you are drawing and writing or whatever you're supposed to do. You all are grown up enough. I don't have to tell you what you're supposed to write and what you're not supposed to write. Sine mid part is equal to
Cos opposite part 1.
cos opposite part 1
Multiplying cos opposite part 2.
cos opposite part 2. These are the two formulas that we will be using. Now, we have been saying that to solve a spherical triangle, three things should be known to us. Either two angle and one side or three sides, whatever, some combination. Three things, if they are known to us, then we can solve the spherical triangle. Now in these two diagrams, one thing is already known to us. Either one side is 90 or one angle is 90. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
One thing is already known to us. So let us say I know the declination. I know the declination, which means I know this. If you know the declination from the almanac, or if it is given in the question, 90 minus declination, 90 minus px is declination. You will know 90 minus px, it is directly declination. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you know the declination, then you know 90 minus px. Z is already 90. If you know the altitude, let us say you have taken a sextant altitude, then you know this also, the zenith distance. Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes.
If you have taken the sextant altitude, 90 minus altitude is zenith distance, no, Zx. Then you know Zx. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let us say I have to find Pz, I have to find the latitude. So if I find the colat, I will know the latitude, no? 90 minus Pz is the latitude. Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, how will I apply this formula to this information given in this diagram? Which formula I can apply to get the answer? Formula 1 or formula 2?
So second one.
Second, sir.
Which one?
Second one.
Second one, very good. How will I apply? I will use this as the middle part, 90 minus px. Sine middle part is equal to cos opposite part. Opposite means you leave one and it becomes opposite. Leave one and it becomes opposite. If I use this formula, formula 1, because I have to find Pz, so let us say I put this sine mid part, then this is tan adjacent part, this is tan adjacent part. It will not work because I don't know this. So I have to keep one in the middle, and the two next one will become automatically adjacent, or leave the two adjacent and then the other two will become opposite part. Is this clear, gentlemen, or you have any doubt in this? So just because I have to find Pz does not mean that I have to keep it as the middle part. Because if I keep this as the middle part, then This one is okay, opposite, after leaving 1, but this one is not okay. I don't know the opposite part. If I use the formula 1 adjacent part, I know one adjacent, but I don't know the other adjacent. So I will not be able to solve the problem. So nothing prevents me from using this as the mid part. Sine mid part is equal to cos opposite into cos opposite. So after leaving 1, the other two become opposite. Yes, gentlemen, any question over here? I hope you all have made a note of it and understood everything clearly. Vinit Agrawal, have you joined the class?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, you came late today.
Sir, I have some problem with my device, so that.
Which device are you using?
Sir, my laptop is actually not working. I am doing class with Gurvinder.
You attended my class yesterday.
Yes, sir.
You can answer any question I ask you.
Yes,
You
sir.
understood everything what I taught yesterday? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So make sure you pay a lot of attention to my class and attend all the classes regularly. Okay. Okay. So anyone has any question on this one, gentlemen? The above diagram and how I have applied formula number 2. Okay. So now let us say in the lower diagram, we have Zx as 90, the green one. And let us say I know my latitude. I know my latitude. Sorry, this one, that is angle Z. Yeah, azimuth I know. I know the azimuth, yeah. And I know my latitude. And I have to find my longitude. How do I find my longitude from here?
Sir, angle P.
The angle P will give me the LHA.
Yes, sir. Then
And from the
GHA
GHA I can find my longitude. So I have to find angle P. Which formula can I use now?
So first one.
First one, sir.
Yeah, I can use the first one. I can put this as the middle part. Sine middle part, tan adjacent part into tan adjacent part. So I think the application of the Napier rule with the diagram, and depending upon what values are given to you, you will be able to find out other values. I hope this part is very, very clear, because a lot of your problems will depend upon this Napier rule. Even in a great circle, I'm sure you're already doing this. Are you aware of these things? Are you doing this already?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you're doing the vertex, in the vertex, those formulas are already made, no? So many formulas are there. They're depending basically all on these type of rules only. So if you don't have any question on the Napier diagram, I can remove this and then we can go on to proving the amplitude formula. What is the amplitude formula? Sine amp is equal to
Sine
Sine.
deck is declination by cos latitude.
Sine deck upon cos lat. Okay. Can you make any relationship with the Napier rule by looking at this? Does it look similar or no? Yes or no? Anyone? Apply your mind. Do you find any similarity between the amplitude formula and the Napier formula, Napier rule?
yes sir,
Derived from
उसको
that only.
नंबर वन जो
What
है
is
अपना
amplitude?
मिड पार्ट
Amplitude is 90 minus azimuth.
90 minus pz.
Amplitude is, if you see in this diagram, rising body, I would say this angle Z is the amplitude, small angle Z. And in the PZX triangle, the large angle Z is the angle Z, that one. So amplitude I can say 90 minus azimuth. So it is having some sort of a similarity over here. Angle Z or 90 minus Z, whatever. Similarly, declination is 90 minus px. Latitude is 90 minus pz. So when we derive, you will come to know. So before we go there, I just wanted to give you an indication that it is coming out from that formula only. So shall we go on to that? I'll have to switch off the camera, share my screen, and on the slide I will show you the formula. It is given somewhere in the book also, which you can read. So who's the present? Can you see the screen amplitude?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कल हमने डिस्कस किया था the amplitude is the angle at the observer's zenith or arc of the rational horizon contained between the observer's prime vertical and the vertical circle through the body. ये लिखना नहीं भूलना at theoretical rising और setting. Theoretical rising या setting का क्या मीनिंग होता है? तब ट्रू altitude क्या होता है?
0.
Altitude 0.
0. The
Body
center of
on
the
the-
earth and the center of the body are in one line. ये तो देख लिया था हमने कल. When the declination of the body is 0, it will rise in the east and set in the west. Exactly 090 and 270. Amplitude thus takes the name of the declination. ये एक ट्रिक है, फॉर्मूला याद रखो, चाहो तो नोट कर लो. इससे कंपास एरर भी निकल आता है. एक न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे आज, जिससे तुम राइजिंग बेरिंग और सेटिंग बेरिंग अगर ले लोगे बॉडी का तो कंपास एरर निकाल सकते हो विदाउट डूइंग एनी कैलकुलेशन. वो ABC टेबल वाला. लेकिन शाम तक रुकना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट मूविंग, कभी एंकर में होता है जहाज तो राइजिंग बेरिंग ले लो, सेटिंग बेरिंग ले लो कंपास से, and then you will come to know the compass error. Sum of azimuth at the time of rising and setting of a body is equal to 360 degree. Mean of azimuth at the time of rising and setting should be 180. तुम अपना मन में कैलकुलेट करके हिसाब लगा लो. अगर बॉडी 0 डिक्लिनेशन 090 में अगर राइज करेगी तो सेटिंग कितने में करेगी?
270.
270 plus 90 is equal to
360.
अगर 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ डिक्लिनेशन है तो राइजिंग बेरिंग क्या होगा?
Sir,
080
080.
और सेटिंग
280
280, sir.
कितना हो गया मिला के दोनों?
360.
360. और अगर 20 डिग्री साउथ डिक्लिनेशन होगा तो क्या होगा राइजिंग बेरिंग?
110
110. और सेटिंग
250
250. कितना हो गया मिला के?
360.
तो ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. Sum of the azimuth at the time of rising and setting of a body is equal to 360. उन दोनों को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 180 आएगा. तो दिस विल हेल्प अस इन फाइंडिंग द कंपास बेरिंग. आज हम एक ऐसा न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे. न्यूमेरिकल मैं देखता हूँ लंच के पहले स्टार्ट कर पाएंगे बाद में, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हाउ वी फिनिश द थ्योरी. सो वंस अगेन azimuth एम्पलीट्यूड साथ साथ दिखा दिया. I wanted to show you ये एम्पलीट्यूड का जो फॉर्मूला है. यहाँ पर देख लो ZX 90 है तो नेपियर रूल वैसे ही बनाया है. ZX के बाद X 90 माइनस PX, P माइनस 90, 90 माइनस PZ, Z. क्लॉकवाइज चलो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज चलो जैसे भी चलो कोई मिस्टेक नहीं, बट डायरेक्शन चेंज मत करो बीच में. डोंट चेंज द डायरेक्शन इन बिटवीन. ठीक है, ओके. At the time of sunrise or sunset, true altitude is 0, therefore zenith distance is 90. ये फॉर्मूला अगर हम यूज कर रहे हैं, आई विल गो बैक टू दैट स्लाइड सो यू कैन अगेन मेक अ नोट. साइन मिड पार्ट इज इक्वल टू कॉस ऑपोजिट 1 इंटू कॉस ऑपोजिट 2. तो मिड पार्ट हम 90 माइनस PX को बना रहे हैं. नाइन्टी माइनस PX just write down sin 90 माइनस PX इज इक्वल टू कॉस. क्या बनेगा? आप लोग साथ साथ लिख लो तो ऑटोमेटिकली डेरिवेशन भी हो जाएगा. sin 90 माइनस PX इज इक्वल टू कॉस Z cos Z इंटू cos 90 माइनस PZ. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने अजीमत तो लिया है तो Z होगा आपके पास. I will go back again to the slide. Sin 90 minus PX is equal to cos Z into cos 90 minus PZ. What is 90 minus PX? PX अगर पोलर डिस्टेंस है तो 90 माइनस PX क्या हो गया? तो डायरेक्ट साइन डिक्लिनेशन लिख दिया तुमने. तुमको cos PX लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तुम सीधा डायरेक्ट 90 माइनस PX तो डिक्लिनेशन होता है ना, तो डायरेक्ट साइन डिक्लिनेशन. ठीक है, उसके बाद cos Z इंटू व्हाट इज 90 माइनस PZ? PZ इज द कोलैट. 90 माइनस कोलैट क्या बन गया? लैट. तो डायरेक्ट cos Z इंटू cos लैट हो गया. So cos z is equal to sin dec upon cos lat. Sin cos z is equal to sin dec upon cos lat. इसमें तो किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होना चाहिए. सिंपल चल रहा.
No, sir.
very simple formula, very simple calculation. The amplitude of a body is measured
पीछे वाली
from
स्लाइड
east
सर
to
दिखा
west.
देंगे जरा.
Pardon?
सर वो पीछे वाली स्लाइड एक मिनट के लिए जरा दिखा दीजिए.
Diagram वाली.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. बना लो साइड में फटाफट. हो गया तो बोल देना, I'll change. Done. Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
7 minutes.
Sir, 1 minute.
हो गया होगा.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
एक बार फॉर्मूला एक बार.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे आऊंगा मैं, डोंट वरी. नाइन्टी माइनस एक्स को मिड पार्ट रख दो, बाकी दो ऑपोजिट हो गए, cos z cos 90 माइनस पी जेड. विदाउट चेंजिंग द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक साइन, कुछ भी नहीं करना, खाली 90 माइनस पी एक्स की जगह डिक्लिनेशन लग गया, 90 माइनस पी जेड की जगह कॉसलेट लग गया, और क्रॉस कर दिया हमने cos z इज इक्वल टू साइन डेक अपॉन cos लैट. तुम देखो, तुमको सबको फॉर्मूला तो पता ही है, साइन एम्प इज इक्वल टू साइन डेक अपॉन cos लैट. तो राइट साइड तो फॉर्मूला का बन चुका है ऑलरेडी. यस और नो?
यस सर.
साइन डेक अपॉन cos लैट तो बन चुका है ऑलरेडी. अब cos z को हमने, z तो एजीमथ, हमने इसको एम्पलीट्यूड में कन्वर्ट करना, जो मैंने पहले बोला था थोड़ी देर पहले. एम्पलीट्यूड इज व्हाट? 90 माइनस एजीमथ.
यस सर.
Therefore azimuth is equal to
Yes,
90
sir.
minus amplitude. अब cos z की जगह में 90 minus amplitude डाल दो. Cos 90 minus theta is what? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta क्या है? Sin theta ना. तो 90 minus amplitude सीधा sin amplitude बन गया. So sin amplitude is equal to sin dec upon cos lat. तो आप देख लो कि ये a very simple formula to find the amplitude. एम्पलीट्यूड ले लो तो डिक्लिनेशन है तो लैटिट्यूड. नेपियर डायग्राम भी सिंपल बन गया है. ये नेपियर डायग्राम से निकाला ना हमने फॉर्मूला, भी आपने पीछे डायग्राम बनाई है. तो स्फेरिकल ट्रायंगल सॉल्व हो रहा है थ्रू द नेपियर डायग्राम विद सच अ सिंपल फॉर्मूला. क्यों बन गया इतना सिंपल? क्योंकि एक साइड 90 था, जेड एक्स वॉज 90 एम्पलीट्यूड है ना, तो राइजिंग बॉडी है, ZX was 90, तो ZX 90 बनने के बाद ये फॉर्मूला कितना सिंपल बन गया हमारा। हमने स्फेरिकल ट्रायंगल को कितना इजी बना दिया, sin amp is equal to sin dec upon cos lat. Anyone has any question on this?
नो सर एक मिनट, लास्ट वाली स्लाइड सर फिर से खोल देंगे सर।
सेम है आगे में। ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में आता है, प्रूव दिस फॉर्मूला, तो नाउ यू नो व्हाट टू डू। 2 मिनट का काम है।
चलो डायग्राम दिखाना है।
फिर डायग्राम लो।
प्रूफ करने के लिए पूछेगा तो साइन विद पार्ट ये सब भी लिखना पड़ेगा सर, एडजस्टमेंट पार्ट।
अब अगर 2-3 नंबर का होगा तो कितना लिखना तुमको पता है,
यस
और अगर 10-15 नंबर का होगा तो कितना लिखना तुमको पता है। नंबर लेना है तो कुछ लिखोगे। अगर मान लो कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन दे दिया 30 मार्क का, तो 2-3 पेज भरना पड़ेगा ना तुमको। डायग्राम बनाओ, नेपियर बनाओ, एक्सप्लेन करो, फॉर्मूला लिखो सब। जनरली इट कम्स एज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन, पार्ट ए पार्ट बी, तो 15 नंबर का तो फिर हो गया ना। आई थिंक 30 मार्क्स का होता है क्वेश्चन पेपर में सेलेस्टियल नेविगेशन।
यस सर।
3 में से 2 करने पड़ते हैं ना, तो 60 नंबर का हो गया पार्ट ए, 140 नंबर का पार्ट बी। 60 नंबर में से 30 के क्वेश्चन है, तो पार्ट ए पार्ट बी में 15 नंबर तो पक्का है। अब 15 में से देख लो, 5 नंबर डायग्राम का, 5 नंबर फॉर्मूला वर्किंग का, इस तरीके से। वेरी इजीली यू कैन स्कोर इन सेलेस्टियल नेविगेशन पार्ट है, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द 3-4 डायग्राम समझने की बात है बस, और थोड़ा माइंड अप्लाई करोगे तो बहुत आराम से। अगर थ्योरी आ गया तो 60 में से कम 50-55 तो ले ही लोगे। अब बाकी प्रैक्टिकल में तो 100% ला सकते हो, 140। नेविगेशन में पता नहीं लड़के क्यों फेल हो जाते हैं, बट इट्स वेरी इजी टू पास। आई वुड से इट इज़ द इजीएस्ट, बिकॉज सब तो न्यूमेरिकल है। तो ठीक है जेंटलमैन, इज दिस पार्ट क्लियर? आगे बढ़ूं? डायग्राम जिसने मांगा था, डायग्राम हो गया। फॉर्मूला का डेरिवेशन लिख लिया आपने, ये फाइनल फॉर्मूला बन गया।
सर जस्ट इसके पीछे वाली सर वो स्लाइड दिखा दीजिए।
ये
यस सर।
साथ साथ लिख लिया करो, कई लोगों ने तो लिख लिया। So we are going for our break now, 15-minute break. So ये फॉर्मूला कंप्लीट है। इसके बाद हम I will take you to the rising and setting of bodies, and then we will continue. तो आप ले लो अपना 15 मिनट का ब्रेक, 11:30 बजे आ जाना, ठीक है?